So in this video, I want to talk to you about, you know, something called the voltage divider, and it's a very simple principle. With our voltage divider, essentially, we have a pair of resistors in series with a voltage across them, right? And the voltage divider is a simple circuit that uses resistors to reduce the voltage from a higher value to a lower value that we need, right? And the way we actually do this is by placing two resistors in series. And what we do is we tap the voltage at a point between them to produce the desired voltage. So for the circuit, we have, two 10K resistors, going from the positive into the 10K, through the next 10K and then into ground. And, the voltage division takes place at the center tap. So if we look at the circuit I've set up here, we actually have this positive supply coming in, right? That's going into one of the resistors, and the second resistor is actually going to ground. And you see the power supply, we actually have 9.45 volts totally across the circuit. Now, if we move the positive line, so this is the positive wire, and we move it to the center point between these two resistors, we see that the voltage actually gets divided in half, right? And, in a voltage divider, the input is applied across the entire series of resistors, right? But only a portion of that voltage is taken at the connection point between the resistors. And the output voltage is actually turned by the ratio of the resistances. So we calculate the output voltage. So the way we actually get the output is it will be Vn times R2 over R1 plus R2. So in our case, we had approximately 9 volts in, and it was a 10K divided by 10K plus 10K. We do the math, we get 4.5. So the voltage is just half of the power supply. And that's basically how we do the voltage divider. Now there's a component that uses this voltage divider, and we'll look at that in the next video.